Hi dear friend, welcome back to our channel Bidda. And today in this video I am going to show you how to uninstall any application from Bluestacks. So before we start the video, I'll ask you something that till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. So first of all, let's open Bluestacks. Now for uninstall application, what you need to do, keep your mouse cursor above of that application and hold your mouse left button for a few seconds. And after that, here you will see a uninstall option. Just click on that option and now click on OK. That's it. As you can see here, that application is uninstalled. There is another way to uninstall application. I'm going to show you. Just here go to settings and find out apps and go to this option. Here find out your application, which application you want to uninstall, and click on that application. And here click on uninstall. That's it. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you're facing incompatible device problem in Bluestacks, I have already made a video on that topic. I will provide this video in the end screen so you can watch it. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.